Hi, Dave from Buzzy here. In this video, we're going to look at using a filtered view in the Buzzy Figma plugin to conditionally display something. Now in previous videos, links will be in the description, we've looked at using show or hide formulas on layouts to conditionally show things. We've also looked at sorting and filtering the results menus themselves. In this case, and this builds on that, we've got this to-do list, and on this screen we're just showing the things that are remaining to do. And when you go to view all, you see all the tasks you've got, and these menus are sorted and filtered. Now if we jump back to this screen, what happens if there are no other tasks beyond what's shown here? Nothing's been completed. In that case, this view all button becomes slightly redundant. So we want to hide it if there are no tasks that are completed. So let's jump into Figma and do that. So here's our app design. We have the menu here. There's our button. So this menu is set to show only items that have not been completed. Then up here we've got this view all button, which will go to these menus, which will show everything. Now if there are no items not completed, we don't want to show this view button at all. So the way we can do this, the button's inside this menu here, and it's got an action on it to go to these other screens, but we've wrapped the button in a view, or a frame, sorry, which we can now define as a view. And so what we'll do here, we'll take this frame, we'll make it a component of type view, and because we've already defined our key fields on our tasks, or our task micro app, sorry, which we did in the previous video to handle our sorting and filtering, and that stuff's also available here now. So we can go to this view component. It's got a unique name. The micro app we want to refer to is tasks. The layout mode is we want results layout. So if there are results, we want this to show. So this is the way we can conditionally show or hide things using the view and its layout mode, whether it's a results view or not. So in this case, making it a results view, page size we can limit to 1, because as long as there is a single item that's been marked as complete, we want that button to show. It doesn't matter what the item is, as long as there is one. So, and then in terms of sorting, we don't have to worry, because this is only showing one. This button's only going to render if there is at least one result, but we're not showing the result itself, so we don't really care about sorting. We do care about the filtering. We want to only get a result if there is a completed item that equals true. And so that's it. So now this button here has been wrapped in a view, which checks our task list. If there is at least one item that returns the completed toggle is true, then that button applies and a user can navigate to this view all view or screen. So let's publish that and check. Now if we jump over to our preview, okay, now nothing's really changed here at the moment because we do have some completed items. If we go over to our view all, there they are. Now if I make these incomplete, or turn off the completed toggle, and we go back to our to-do list, there we are. So we're showing every single item here. There are none that have been marked as complete, and our view all button's gone. As soon as we mark one of these as complete, it's back. So there you go. That's an additional use of sorting and filtering controls to conditionally display something. Thanks for watching.